Everybody, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn how we can create a free DigitalOcean trial account, and we'll create a droplet, nothing but a virtual machine, and we'll see how we can, log into that virtual machine using the SSH key. Obviously, we need to create that key as well. So that is what also we are going to learn in this video. All right. So for creating a DigitalOcean account, make sure you search for a trial account, because if you directly log into DigitalOcean and try to sign up, then you won't get the 200 credit. So the only catch is you try to search with this kind of URL and you say trial account for the DigitalOcean. So then you will see something like this, and then you can just sign up, or you can use email ID to log into it. One catch is, once you log in, immediately it will ask you to enter a debit card or any kind of payment method, so that they will know whether you are authentic or not. Like we are not creating your account automatically or something, like using some programming code. So that's what they are asking you to add a debit card, and they will deduct some money immediately. They will credit back, so no need to worry about that. All right. So once that is login, you will be seeing something like the free trial account. It will have 200 credits, and that you can use over a 60 days period. All right, so that's pretty much about how you are going to create the account. Now, once you log into it, I mean, after adding the payment method, you will see a free, the default project created for you. You can create your own also. So I'm just using the same for now. And I'm running everything on my, I will access that droplet, nothing but virtual machine from my Windows machine. All right, so let's create first virtual machine first. Let's see. So for that, you can just click on this create, or you can click from left navbar also. So let me click on droplets, and depending on your need, you can select whatever VM you want to select. For simplicity, I'm just let's say I say basic, which is shared CPU, and then I will go, I can take the minimum, and let's say basic account. I'm just taking, I'll take this one, and you can see other plans also. For this demonstration, I'm just using this VM, which is $6 per month. And then we will scroll down. There are two ways to log into this VM, that is SSH and the password. I mean, this SSH is a better one, so let's select this one. And now it's saying, you add a public key over here. So for that, you click on add. And for Windows, because just like in virtual, Mac machine or a Linux machine, you get a terminal, and that is where you can create those public key and private key over there itself. So in Windows also you can do the same, and you can use the PuTTY as a software also to do the same. I will show you both the trick. So let's I'll show you first Windows machine. So this is my command prompt right now. There is, you can see nothing is there. It's empty over here right now, and same you can see over here, and I'll show you the folder as well. Maybe I can start. Okay, so you see it's empty. Okay, let's minimize this one, and to generate a key, to generate the key, you can go back here, you can use this command, and go back here, say enter. So this is the way it will generate, and this is a better way. And it's asking like you put any key name. Let's say I'll give you can say key, and hit enter. It's asking for password. Right now I'm not entering any password, so just blank. And you see the key is generated. Let me go back to the folder, and you see these public key. This is .pub is nothing but public key, and this is your private key is generated. All right, so you can simply open this, and if you copy and paste over there, it will accept it. Let me show you directly. Cut, and then let's go back to the DigitalOcean portal, and you can see you can give some same name. Maybe I'll say first key. All right, so this is added. All right, another way also I'll show you. Before that, I will show you like for logging to SSH, right? It's saying like you can download the PuTTY as a software. So once you download that, right, you will see something like I'll show you how you can download. That's better. 1 second. Click on this again, and let's click over here. And this is the website actually I was talking about. Using this, you can download this MSI file and install. Once you install your machine, you will see something PuTTY as a app which will help you to log into the virtual machine, and the second one is to generate the key. All right. So the catch is over here. Let me show you one more thing. First, let's log in with the same. So once you click on the app, it will tell you like, hey, you put your IP and the port number. It's by default is 22 and using SSH. All right, and in the SSH connection authentication over here, you click credentials, and this is where you need to put the private key over here. And but the catch is it is a if you browse, you will see extension .ppk. But if you go back and open that folder, you see there is no .extension ppk file. So what you need to do, so this is the actual app, and similarly you will see one more PuTTY generation, key generation kind of thing, key generator actually. Then what you can do, you can use the load command, and here it's going to the same folder. You say all, and you are seeing both the files. This is your public file, this is your private key. All right, so you see it's imported. All right, now the catch is you have to save this file again. To save private key, it's saying, yeah, I want to save it. I didn't enter the user and password, that's what it's saying. Now let's type private. I would say so we know which one we are dealing with right now. Save it, and you see backend you got this file .ppk. All right, now let's go back to the DigitalOcean portal. Let me close this one. So now you know one way to generate the key. I will show you how you can generate using PuTTY as well. All right, so this is the key which you generated using command prompt, and then using PuTTY key generator, you created the private key in PuTTY format, so that we can use that tool to log into the Droplet, nothing but virtual machine. All right, so far we didn't create the virtual machine. We just selected the VM which we want to create. For example, right now I'm interested only in $6 per month, which has 1 GB, 25 GB space, and this is the data transfer limit. All right, scroll it down. Other important things I'm just skipping. You can put a tag name, which is good, so that you know if you want to delete, it will be easy for you to track. All right, so right now we have default project. Otherwise, you can select something else also. Let me click on create droplet. You see it started our VM. It won't take much time, and we will get in 5 to 10 seconds we will be able to see the IP, to say public IP, which we can use to log into our VM. By the time it's doing that, I will show you one more command. I'll go back here. So we use this command. If you see ssh-keygen, and it is using this algorithm to generate this letter. If you want RSA type, then you can use another key like so you can use this command. You can it's the same command, just that you say I want RSA type -b202 in 48, and if you enter now, you will see it will generate a key pair of RSA type. If you scroll up and you see we were generating using this one earlier. All right, same we will show you. I will show you in the PuTTY key generator as well. All right. Okay, so now you can see our virtual machine is up and running, and that is the hosting. You can go inside, and this is the uh, uh, public IP. You can see. Let's click on it. You copy it, and let's go back here to CMD, to ping, not here, ping, and you see we are able to ping. Now the catch is how to log into it, right? So I told you, right? Click on this browse first. Maybe I'll show you one more time. So better when you click on this PuTTY configuration, you will get a window like that. You have to scroll and then go to connection, SSH, and then authentication, then credential, and that is where you need to select here browse, and the file which we created. I think we created over maybe better I copy the path so that I know what we can copy here. So you see this is the first key private hyphen private ppk file. Let's select that one. Okay, that is selected. Now scroll up, go to sessions, and here we need to type the IP. So let's copy the IP again, So you see the IP is entered. This is default port if you haven't changed it. Okay, and you can save this, and let's log in now. If you want to, don't want to enter this, you can save this configuration. I have saved the two settings by default. All right, and there you can select if you close the window, the command prompt which is going to open now, terminal. Once you close the terminal, it should continue session or something like that. So you can say, yeah, close the connection immediately. Once you close that, you say open, and you can accept it. Now log in as I will say root, and you can see I logged in. Now let's compare. You can see, let me copy this. I copied. You can see it is not matching. Oh, let's see. Oh, I have to remove this root actually. You see the host name is matching. All right, now let's check whether we are connected, just for silly thing, but yeah, still, just to show you, I'm just showing, say, host name hyphen I, and use, I think I entered wrong. Yes. All right, so you can see 64.227.140.190, that is our public IP, and the private IP also you can see over here, which is for dealing with internal. All right, so now our VM is up and running. One more thing I want to show, how to generate the key. All right, so let's close this connection for now. Yeah, close it. Let's go back here. I'm just searching is the new option where we can see that SSH Key here itself. I think you click on setting, somewhere we should get it here. And yeah, security, and you see this is the first key we created. We can create one more. Okay, so let's this time what we'll do, we'll use the key generator. All right, so let me generate a new one. I'll close so that it will be much clear. The key generator is there. Okay, so let me click on generate. So there is RSA here only. In this window also you can select what type of parameter you want to pass. You want to RSA or something like that. Let me select this one. Let's say it's the same time which we created the first time, right? Or you can create RSA type. When you click on generate, so it's generating, and you see the key is generated. All right, so this is your public key. Let's copy this one, go back here, paste. So the key is correct. As you can say, second key, you see it's correct. All right, and the catch is no need to load, and you simply say directly save private key. Yes, and this time you can say second private key. All right, pretty much simple. All right, and another thing I want to show over let me go back to the droplet again. Once you turn off this one, it's giving you warning, like it will not stop the billing actually. So if you turn off also, it's still billing is running. So that is what you should make sure. Otherwise, if you don't, you don't want to use it, you simply destroy so that it will not charge. All right, so that's pretty much about this video. Thank you very much.